The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Tensas Parish in northeastern Louisiana, Claiborne County in southwestern Mississippi, north central Jefferson County in southwestern Mississippi, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over St. Joseph, or 27 miles north of Natchez, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Alcorn around 5:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Port Gibson around 5:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Patterson around 5:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Hermanville and Rocky Springs around 5:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Louisiana. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern and west central Mississippi. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.